आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। और आइए अब हम सभी साक्षी बनते हैं उस ऐतिहासिक क्षण के जिसका हम सभी इंतजार कर रहे थे। मैं निवेदन करूंगी यूनेस्को डीजी मैम से कि वे कृपया शांति धारीवाल सर को जयपुर हेरिटेज सिटी का प्रमाण पत्र सौंपे। I would request Honorable DG UNESCO to kindly hand over the Heritage City Certificate to Honorable Minister, Local Self-Government and UDH, Shri Shanti Dhariwal Sir. और आप सबकी तालियों का जय घोष इस पूरे प्रांगण में होना चाहिए। ये हम सब के लिए सौभाग्य की बात है कि हम ऐसे शहर जयपुर में रहते हैं जिसे संपूर्ण विश्व अपनी विरासत मानता है। और यहाँ माननीय मंत्री महोदय, आप सभी प्रदेशवासियों को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज सिटी जयपुर का प्रमाण पत्र सौंपते हुए थैंक यू सर। और अब मेरा विनम्र निवेदन है आदरणीय बीडी कल्ला साहब से कि वे ऑनरेबल डीजी यूनेस्को को शॉल ओढ़ाकर उनका सम्मान करें। Thank you, sir. And I would request Honorable Tourism Minister, respected Vishwendra Singh sir, to kindly present a memento in a form of a gift to Honorable DG Ma'am UNESCO. जोरदार तालियां इस पूरे प्रांगण में गूंजनी चाहिए। ये हमारा सौभाग्य है। It's our privilege that today we have with us Honorable DG UNESCO with us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for bestowing this whole occasion with your valuable presence. We are really grateful to you. Thank you so much. And now I would like to request all the esteemed guests to kindly sit in the VIP arena. और अब हम बढ़ चलते हैं आज की हमारे आयोजन के अगले पायदान की ओर, यानी आज की हमारी रंगारंग सांस्कृतिक प्रस्तुतियों की ओर। आज की हमारी प्रस्तुति एक विशेष प्रस्तुति है। ये एक कोरियोग्राफ्ड कल्चरल प्रेजेंटेशन है और इस पूरी प्रस्तुति में राजस्थान के अलग अलग रंगों को आप आज इस मंच पर एक साथ देख पाएंगे। इसमें राजस्थान की लोक संस्कृति की झलक, यहाँ के जयपुर घराने के कथक की झलक और राजस्थान के 40 वाद्य यंत्रों का संवेद स्वर आप सभी तक पहुँचने वाला है। Now, ladies and gentlemen, we move to the cultural presentation of our today's evening. As we all know that Rajasthan is a land of glorious cultural heritage, and today we will exhibit various colors and vibrance of Rajasthan on this one stage together. Our today's presentation is a choreographed presentation which is an incredible blend of 5 folk dances of Rajasthan, a classical dance based on Jaipur Gharana, and 3 symphonies based on authentic and indigenous musical instrument of Rajasthan. We will start this presentation with a folk symphony, which would be a beautiful amalgam of 40 folk musical instruments that belong to Rajasthan. That folk symphony will be followed by Kal Belia dance. And it is a matter of pride that this Kal Belia dance has also got inscribed in UNESCO's intangible cultural heritage. One important and interesting fact which is of this Kalbelia is that the dancer who's going to perform on this stage, her name is Shamla Sapera, and she is the very same dancer who performed in the documentary which was sent to UNESCO for its acknowledgement as intangible cultural heritage. So definitely it will be a pleasure for all of us to watch her performing here today in this cultural event. Kalbelia dance will be followed by Kathak, which is based on Jaipur Gharana of Kathak, and it will be a classical performance. After that, you will witness a beautiful musical performance of Western Rajasthan by Langa and Mangniyar artists, and that presentation will be followed by Angi Gher, which is known for its beautiful and ecstatic costumes. After Angi Gher, we will showcase Bhawai dance in front of you, which belongs to Western Rajasthan, and then you will witness Chari dance, in which dancers carry a metallic pot on their head with fire. This whole presentation will be concluding with a live playing of bhabang, which is a unique musical instrument, and at the end of this presentation we will present